Alright, here's a quick tutorial on upgrading your MacBook Pro with an SSD hard drive. Okay, so you want to start by unscrewing the 10 screws out of the bottom. Make sure to take note where the 3 longer screws go. From there you want to detach the battery. Okay, next you're going to undo your main hard drive. There's just 2 screws to undo. You take out that bracket. Alright, next you want to clean off the inside of your computer with either a makeup brush or a compressed air container. Okay, so to take out your DVD drive, there's about 5 screws. The first one is right by the speaker, and there's the second one. And the third one is kind of hidden on the side. On some MacBooks, you might have to shift the speaker over a little bit in order to see it. And there's the fourth one. And the fifth one is right there. Now it's going to be easier if you have a magnetic screwdriver, just so you don't drop any of the screws in the computer. You want to take the ribbons off right there. There's 3 of them. And then you just pivot your DVD player up and it slides right out. And you're going to want to take the ribbon off the back of the DVD player. Next, disconnect your main hard drive. So you want to take off the 4 supporting screws off your original hard drive. You're going to be putting these onto your new SSD drive. So there's the SSD drive, and now just put those screws in. Alright, now you're ready to attach your SSD, like so. Slide it in, and you're going to put the bracket in with the 2 screws. Alright, now you're going to take your original hard drive and attach it into your Optibay kit. There should be 4 screws that attach along the sides to tighten it and hold it into place. And I'll put a link below on where to get an Optibay kit as well as an SSD hard drive. Alright, now you want to attach the ribbon, and you want to put it in the same way you took out the DVD drive. So you have to maneuver it in there, move the ribbon out of the way as well as the battery sticker. And then you're just going to put all the screws back in. So on this Optibay kit, that screw doesn't reach, but it isn't needed. So just move on to the next one, it'll still hold it in. However, it does screw in on the MCE Optibay kit. And last, connect the ribbons back. Reconnect the battery, just push it in, and you're ready to go. Just remember to put all the screws back in at the bottom after you've checked that it works. Alright, so you're going to want to reboot your computer holding down the Option button. Go ahead and click on the hard drive. Okay, so open up Disk Utility, click on your SSD hard drive, and you're going to go to Erase and erase it. Make sure you're doing this on your new SSD hard drive, not your original hard drive, and it's going to partition the SSD. It's going to be titled Untitled as a default. You can change that later or change it right away. And then we're just going to shut down and restart. So now whenever you want to restart with your SSD hard drive or your regular hard drive, you just go to System Preferences and click on Startup, choose hard drive or SSD, and then reboot. Alright, now you want to get Carbon Copy Cloner. You can download it for free. Just search for it on the internet. And again, you don't have to do this, but pretty much what you're doing is you're copying everything off your original hard drive onto your new SSD. Right now it's still called Untitled, but you can change that. And that was a quick tutorial on upgrading your MacBook Pro with an SSD drive. Peace!